Today, I'm gonna have to take off my tractor's front left tire, and I will have to see where the new hole is, get it plugged, and then put it back on my tractor and maybe start cutting some grass. That's the plan. The first thing we want to do is find the right socket. 9/16 is not the right socket. This one's too big. This one, it's just right. Yay. Bam, bam, bam. Oh. Okay. We're good. What? Did it. We're gonna do some ranching today. Some farming. We're gonna drive around with the tractor just around the property. That's what we're gonna be doing today.